Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Wade, and this is the 996 Guy channel. I make videos about my 2003 Porsche 996. I make general videos. I talk about cost of ownership, what it's like owning this car, and just anything that comes up with it. It's almost like a vlog for my car, I guess. And in my last video, I talked about how there was a coolant leak with my car, and it was giving off a very strong odor towards the back of the car. So what I did was I brought it into my mechanic. He took a look at it. He suspected that it was the AOS, the air oil separator. And to my surprise, I thought that, and he thought as well, he thought that we had repaired or replaced the AOS before, but apparently we haven't. So that's something that I'm going to have to look out for in the future. But anyways, he found out that there was a crack in the coolant expansion tank. And what sucks is that I ended up having that replaced about 5 years ago. I believe it was like 2019 or maybe 2018. Yeah, around there, like I want to say 2019. So about 6 years ago. And yeah, it's just really weird. Like that part shouldn't be failing like that. And he said that is a pretty common thing to go out on these cars. Mine had a crack in it, so I don't know. It might be the heat that's causing it to crack. But he's wondering why they don't build these expansion tanks in some other material that doesn't crack so easily, that isn't as temperature sensitive or whatever, you know. So he replaced it, and the price the price of the part wasn't that expensive, but you know, with labor and all that, it came out to be a little over $1,000. I believe it was $1,068. My mechanic, he does a great job. He has raised his prices over the years, but you know, of course, you know, he has to make a profit. You know, parts prices go up, and you know, his overall cost of running his business, I'm sure, goes up. So it's understandable that he has to raise his prices. He's still one of the best around. I wouldn't take my car to anybody else unless I'm really desperate or he goes out of business or whatever. But I have been taking my car to him since I bought the car in 2015. His name is Ernesto. He's in Glendale, California. I don't know if he wants me to put this information out there because he's pretty busy. And you know, I don't know if he wants more business coming his way, but I figured I'd give him a shout out and let you guys know where I take the car when it gets fixed. He's very knowledgeable and he's very passionate about these cars. So if you're in the LA area, I would definitely take my 911 or whatever Porsche you have to Ernesto. And again, it's HD Motorworks in Glendale, California. So he fixed the expansion tank. I took a road trip to Vegas. The car performed great on the way there. I went to the CES conference in Vegas, which is an electronics trade show. And then I came back to LA a few days ago, and the car was great. But something happened today, and I'm going to talk about this in another video. But the check engine light came on. I had it coded. I did the I don't know what that thing's called, the scanner, to check the code, and I will let you guys know in the next video what I found out and what I plan on doing about it. It looks like it could be an easy fix, like maybe I can do it myself, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna do some research and I'll let you guys know. So that's what's going on. I spent about $1,000 on getting the expansion tank replaced, $1,068 to be exact. And I don't know, maybe I should come up with an expansion tank that is made of some lightweight material that doesn't fail on these cars. Do like a retrofit or something. So anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. I will see you guys in the next one. Please comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys later. Take care.
A little bit of debris.
Oh, okay.
And it was cracking in here.
Right, yeah. Okay.
So I did use a genuine again because I feel like they're better.
Mm-hmm.
But the only aftermarket ones are kind of plastic still.
Right.
Yeah, but there's a little bit of gunk in there, so you did get a fresh, some fresh